Hello and welcome to the Messed Up. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the top 5 channels that you must know if you follow machine learning. Let's start. Social media is everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, even Facebook, whatever you call it, it's there, and machine learning is the trend. There are so many resources to go through. Which one is the best and which one to follow remains a big challenge for everyone. We have got freshly handpicked YouTube channels for you. I'll be telling you about 5 channels in a countdown. Few of them post amazing tutorials, and few of them are to keep you in trend. And the last one is a pretty special. You should wait for it. Don't miss that one. Let's start the countdown. This channel may look overrated at the first sight, but it's worth a visit. If you are new to machine learning and still exploring ways to get it in your head, then this channel is for you. Right now, Welch Labs have around 291k subscribers and 4 dedicated playlists. But there's a playlist that you should look for, and that is Neural Networks Demystified. It contains just 7 videos, but they will completely break down the neural networks. He builds neural networks from scratch. You're gonna love it. So let's turn up the gear and go for the next channel. Number 4 is the Siraj Rawal's channel. This guy is pretty cool. He posts videos once in a week. This channel has more than 704k subscribers. This channel have more than 30 playlists. You're gonna find almost everything you need. He made videos of making music by the AI, chatbots, and even some cool game bots. You should go through this channel. Number 3 is the Sendex. This guy is a legend. Sendex have posted more than 1000 videos on YouTube. He have posted tutorials on languages like Python, JavaScript, and also few videos on the Go. His contents also include tutorials on machine learning, deep learning, even reinforcement learning, and he also posted about Python libraries like OpenCV, Django, Pandas, and also the scikit-learning. If you want to choose the path of machine learning, you should check out his channel. This guy's got really some good stuff, and don't forget his Python play GTA 5 playlist. It's really cool. Before going to this channel, there is a warning. I just want to say, if you want to go nerdy on machine learning, then this channel is for you. Artificial intelligence all in one. The name says it all. This channel have more than 77k followers. This channel have 9 dedicated playlists. It also have the full course on machine learning from the creator himself, Andrew Ng. Other things like natural language processing, data mining, and human-computer interaction course. They are all worth visit. They're like live courses. These courses start from the very beginner level and reach up to the advanced projects. You should visit this amazing channel. I'm not hyping it. Let's see. Not sure about you, but not many people know about this channel. This guy will keep you in trend and will also keep you motivated for the good stuff. People hit bell icon as soon as they hit subscribe button on this channel. This channel is 2-minute papers. This channel is about to reach 600k subscriber. He simply takes research papers and breaks them down to layman terms in 2 minutes. This channel contains more than 600 videos. His content is mostly based on machine learning and deep learning papers. You should also take a peek into his 3D simulation playlist and the content that he posts on rendering. He keeps updating his channel with the new research papers. So that's it for this video. This video is the first video of the series of the videos I'm going to upload for the resources on machine learning and on various other learning resources. Do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the other videos.